How to travel to Sweden for free. Sweden, a land of stunning nature, deep culture, clean cities, and friendly people. It's a dream destination for many travelers. But what if I told you that you can experience this incredible country for free? That's right, without spending a single krona on flights, lodging, or even food. Sounds like magic. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to travel to Sweden for free. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan that anyone, anywhere in the world can follow. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find volunteer opportunities that offer free stay in Sweden. Volunteering is one of the most powerful ways to travel the world for free. In Sweden, there are many farms, hostels, villages, and local families that offer free accommodation and meals in exchange for a few hours of work each day. Websites like Workaway Helps, World Packers. These platforms connect you with hosts all over Sweden who are looking for help with gardening, childcare, farm work, painting, language exchange, or hostel assistance. Imagine living in a cozy Swedish home in the countryside, surrounded by pine trees and lakes, where you help with gardening in the morning and spend the afternoon exploring the area. Or staying in a small-town hostel where you help guests check in and out, do a little cleaning, and then have the evenings to relax with locals. You'll save money on hotels and meals. You'll make meaningful connections. You'll see the real Sweden that most tourists miss. If you time your volunteering strategically, you could spend an entire month or more in Sweden without paying anything for accommodation. Step 2. Travel hack your flight to Sweden. Getting to Sweden doesn't have to cost a fortune. In fact, with some clever travel hacking, you can get your flights almost or completely free. Step-by-step plan. Sign up for a travel rewards credit cards like Chase, Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture, or American Express Gold often come with generous welcome bonuses. Use the card for everyday purchases, groceries, bills, fuel. Shopping everything adds up in points. Redeem your points for flights. Most cards let you book flights directly through their portal or transfer to partner airlines. A bonus tip: keep an eye on flight deal websites like Scott's Cheap Flights, Secret Flying, Jack's Flight Club UK-based. They sometimes show airfares or flash sales to Stockholm, Gothenburg, or Mom That Can. Drop the price of your flight by 90%, which you can then pay for using points or cashback. Also, don't forget about travel contests, giveaways, and airline loyalty programs. Some people win free flights simply by entering contests run by travel brands or tourism boards. Use points to cover flights, track mistake fares and deals. Combine miles plus cashback offers, enter travel contests. Step 3. Apply for fully funded cultural exchange or youth programs. Sweden actively promotes cultural exchange, and there are fully funded opportunities open to people from all over the world. Some options include Erasmus Plus for students and young adults in Europe or associated countries. Offers travel, accommodation, food, and even daily allowances. Isaac offers exchange programs that cover travel and living costs. Swedish Institute scholarships. They sometimes support short-term visits and cultural exchange. Internships or volunteer programs through NGOs and the United Nations. Sweden hosts many NGOs looking for international participation. Even better, some of these programs include language immersion, study visits, and cultural activities like visiting Swedish castles, museums, or nature reserves. Travel, accommodation, and food covered. Boost your resume. Experience Sweden deeply. Tip: start your search early and prepare a strong application. Highlight your motivation and what you'll contribute. Step 4. Couchsurfing and local hosting programs. The Couchsurfing platform lets you stay with locals across Sweden for free. You'll get a bed, maybe a shared meal, and best of all, cultural experience money can't buy. Other apps to consider: trustworthy, popular among travelers and nomads. Become an open-source alternative to couchsurfing. These platforms are built on mutual respect, kindness, and community. Many Swedes are curious about different cultures and love hosting people. Zero-cost lodging, get insider tips from locals, experience Swedish lifestyle firsthand. Couchsurfing hosts have been known to go above and beyond, showing guests around their town. Cooking Swedish meals like meatballs with lingonberry jam, and sharing local traditions. Step 5. House sitting in Sweden. House sitting is another way to stay in Sweden for free. You take care of someone's home and sometimes their pets while they're away. Platforms like Trusted House Sisters, Nomad or Mindme House. These sites connect you with Swedes who need someone to watch over their house for a few days, weeks, or even months. Many of these homes are stunning, and you get to live like a local without spending a cent. Some even come with perks like a car to use or access to summer cottages. Free long-term stays, privacy and independence, perfect for remote workers and introverts. Step 6. Leverage digital nomad and remote work options. If you already work online or have skills you can freelance, Sweden is a great place to live and work temporarily. Opportunities: content writing, editing, graphic design, animation, virtual assistants, social media management. How does this help you travel free? If you earn while you travel, your income can cover other basic costs, even if your lodging is already free via volunteering or house sitting. Bonus tip: some Swedish co-working spaces even offer free trials or free community events with snacks and coffee. Work from anywhere, fund your travel while abroad, connect with other creatives and travelers. Step 7. Join environmental or community projects. Sweden is a global leader in sustainability. Many local projects accept international volunteers to help with environmental efforts, recycling programs, and reforestation. You can find these opportunities via WOOF Sweden Organic Farm Volunteering, Eco Sweden Environmental Exchange, local NGOs focused on green innovation. Not only do these opportunities provide free food and accommodation, but they also allow you to be part of Sweden's mission to protect nature. Imagine spending your days helping preserve the beautiful Nordic forests and learning sustainable living skills, and your evenings enjoying fika by a wood stove. Contribute to the environment, live sustainably, connect with eco-conscious people. Bonus tips: keep costs at zero while in Sweden. Even with free flights and accommodation, here are extra tips to avoid spending. Free food. Volunteer at events or festivals where food is provided. Use apps like Too Good To Go rescue surplus food. Cook in hostels or volunteer homes. Free transport. US free bikes. Some cities offer free public bikes. Hitchhike common in Sweden, especially among youth. Walk. Swedish cities are very pedestrian friendly. Free activities. Enjoy nature forests, lakes, national parks. Visit free museums and public exhibitions. Attend community events and free walking tour. Student, always carry your ID. You'll get discounts or even free access to some venues. So there you have a complete, realistic, and tested guide on how to travel to Sweden for free. Whether you're a student, digital nomad, volunteer, or just a curious traveler, these tips can open up a magical adventure without emptying your wallet. Now it's your turn. Take action, create that account, send that message, apply for that program. Sweden is waiting and you don't need a fortune to go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with a friend who's been dreaming of Scandinavia. And remember, adventure is just one brave step away.